Hello and welcome back to Dominator 675, and we're back with another modelling video. Here we are going to review the Metcalfe HO scale PO251 Manor farm barn. Now O and HO scale is roughly 172, 176, so it fits those kits. I built Metcalfe before, so it's a really nice kit. So as you can see, the picture shows you what it is, and it also tells you that those tractors and accessories are not available. You need to buy them elsewhere. Now, once again, it shows you the buildings like every other kit that go with the farm barn set that you have got. And I have built all of them other than this one, and they're all brilliant. So I recommend all of them to any scale modeler out there. As you can see, it's telling you what you can and can't buy. So now we're going on to the instructions. Now, the instructions with Metcalfe, they can be quite confusing, but I'll talk you through them. So at the top, you can see showing you what you need and what the work surface should be like. As you see, read through all the instructions in any kit, not just Metcalfe. It is super important. Now, it tells you a brief description of what the barn is actually like, as most of his Metcalfe kits that the designer made, Nick Metcalfe, are actually based off proper buildings that he used to have. So you can see that you have all of them like nicely labelled. You get used to Metcalfe instructions after a while. Now they are quite difficult because it doesn't contain colours or any numbers of what it is, because it's literally just a cardboard set that you glue together with like Boss Stick or super glue. That's another thing I mentioned. I would not recommend using Prick Stick, as it will fade away. I would be using super glue or Boss Stick, and you can see they're quite brief. They make really nice kits, and after a while you get used to it. Now they are 14 plus, so if you are a bit younger, and even if it's your first time using Metcalfe, I would advise having an adult with you, because they are quite difficult. Now I built this kit a while ago, so I thought I'd review it, but I didn't have the footage back then, so I apologise for not showing you how to make it. It's quite a laborious project, so I don't think you'd be wanting to watch it. So I use scissors to trim little edged bits, and I use my modelling knife, which opens, as you can see. Now it says cut along this line to open. It is neatly labelled on the cardboard sections, so it is pretty easy to understand and build. It is pretty much self-explanatory. So this is the final product, and I must say that this one looks superb. A lot of them, I mean, it's literally just cardboard. If you look, the inside is just cardboard, but look at the outside. It is wonderful, and you can weather this. You can add branches. You can do whatever you want to it when you're actually adding it to your model. But I think these look superb. So you have the outhouse that you build, and you also have the main farm barn. Now you can glue this roof on, but I like to take the roof off because there is so much detail. As you can see, it's literally just cardboard. But you can see the detail on these kits is unbelievable. Bear in mind this was made out of cardboard. It's unbelievable the quality of the kit. Now you do get sometimes teething problems, but that's what I have my knife and my scissors for. But it's very rare that you do have to start trimming bits off, but sometimes you have to. That's a 172 soldier there, and it fits very nicely, that is the word, nicely in the kit. And there is a 172 Willys Jeep, and it's just showing you the OHO scale. It's a scale in itself, but it closely resembles the 172 scale that as kit modelers know. Now, these are they're specifically sold for model railways, but you can use them for any diorama. And I would go advise checking out Metcalfe's website, because they have loads of good stuff on there. Not just farm buildings or buildings. They have pavillas, tables, deck chairs. They're brilliant, and they are super fun to build and super easy when you get used to them. Now, it also comes with an outbuilding where you can store your tractors and everything, and I honestly think this is superb. A lot of the other farm buildings come with it, but it's a nice addition, and when they're all combined together, you can make a really nice looking farm diorama. Now, you have got to buy the animals and the tractors separately, but it is worth the time and effort buying this kit. I would really recommend this kit to everyone above the age of 14, so it's a thumbs up from me. That is the end now, I'm afraid. If you did enjoy, please feel free to like, and if you want to see more of my content and support me and reach that 1k, subscribe. Can we get to 200 subs? Who knows? Let's see if you can help me get there. Right, I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.